We are waiting on another Supreme Court ruling, this time from Wisconsin's highest court. It's expected to rule tomorrow on the Madison School District policy that allows trans students to come out at school, but not at home. Political reporter Will Keneally has more on this case and what we can expect. Will?
So the case stems from a suit brought by district parents. They argue that their constitutional rights that allow parents to determine the kids' education applies here, and that they shouldn't be excluded if their kids come out at school. Advocates, though, see it differently.
Trans students are among the most vulnerable people in our society.
And because of that, Larry Dupuis of the ACLU says they need to be protected.
So it's important for students, all students, to feel like school is a safe place. And it's particularly important for trans kids who may find that, home is not a safe place to come out.
Which is why the Madison School District created a policy in 2018 to allow students to use their preferred name and preferred pronouns in school without informing parents. But a group of anonymous parents sued, trying to block the policy, taking their parental rights appeal up to the state Supreme Court. It's unclear how the conservative-leaning court will decide.
What we are seeing legislatively in the attacks on trans people across this country are part of a larger right-wing effort to attack bodily autonomy.
That's UW-Madison professor James McMaster. He says what we're seeing here is akin to efforts to strike down abortion rights.
It's important to remember that trans, non-binary, and gender-expansive youth are youth. They are young people with soft hearts who are actually just trying to find a place in the world.
He added that some students may face things like homelessness and abuse, depending on their situation at home. Yeah, and so the other thing that Dupuis added there is that there are other instances in which a school might withhold information from parents. That includes when students seek counseling for alcohol and drugs. Schools allow them to seek that help without fear of informing parents.